Alright, we're going to swap AA trailers. We're going to take an old AA trailer and swap it out and put a new AA trailer with modded wheels on it in the bunker. So we took a 2-seater motorcycle that we only own one of, and we have our friend get on the back. After we've already stored this in the MOC, we have our friend get on the back and pause it. And we go up to the blue light and push right on the D-pad. It'll kick the friend off. Basically the same process as giving cars to friends, the old method. And once it kicks your friend off, you need to go and return your MOC to storage and call out your old unmodified anti-aircraft trailer. Your friend is going to register as a CEO and hire you, and you're going to jump in his special vehicle. You're going to go to his vehicle warehouse. You're not going to open up your interaction menu because it's easier and eliminates a synchronization timing error if you're not doing it correctly together. This is all on the driver. The driver registers as a CEO. He opens his CEO menu and he goes up to the door. Once he's satisfied with being at the door, 1 to 2 seconds is all you need. He backs away from the door and he retires, and then you get out of the vehicle. This eliminates the need for you to synchronize your interaction menus. Now, I go out and I call my MOC. And I tell him where it's at. Now he's supposed to go and find it and bring it back over here. So bear with me while we wait for him to find it. Trying to show you guys this without very many edits, so you see about how long it really takes and if it's your first try or not. This was my first try swapping out AA trailers. I've been trying to do it forever, but finally got these guys to help me out with it. So a huge shout out to Trey Boat and Junior on a OV8 for helping me out with this process. So while you call out your MOC and you wait for the other player to go get it, you do a story mode alert or two. Doesn't really matter when or how many, as long as you do a couple of them. Just waiting on that MOC. Here it comes. Alright, now once you see the blue light on the back, you want to head over there and enter alone. There we go, blue light. Enter alone. I'm on black screen. Now I make another Franklin alert and cancel it, and I'll be up at Spanish Avenue. In order to stay invisible once you've gotten out of the black screen, you want to make sure you do a story mode alert every 3 to 5 seconds. That way you'll stay invisible and you can get in the car, because it might take a while for somebody to bring the car up there, and you might want to see what they're doing. So you might want to know just how far, where the car is going to be or whatever. So come out of black screen early and just keep making story mode alerts so you stay invisible, like I'm doing right here. So now we wait for Junior to bring his modified AA trailer. Just keep making story mode alerts. Make sure you cancel them, don't accept them. If If you accept it, it'll boot you out of the session and into story mode. And you'll have to start all over. So make sure you're declining each of these alerts. Okay, here they are. So he's going to call out his modded AA trailer. He's going to give it to me. See how I'm still invisible? I'm switching guns. You can see me for just a brief second when I switch guns. So you know I'm still right there. You know this is working. Alright, buddy, where's your AA trailer? I think this guy fell asleep last night. We were doing this pretty late, and he was being nice, helping me out. And he goes, "Why don't you merge your AA trailer to your MOC?" And I said, "Well, I've been having trouble swapping out the AA trailer for the new one in the bunker." And so he goes, "Okay, I know how to do that. Let's do that real quick." And so we were already on here for a minute, and then we decided to do this. And so I think he kind of just dozed off right there for a minute. But anyway, long story short, you know, one friend helping out another, and Trey Boat alongside helping, telling him what to do and telling me what to do here. So here he goes. He called out the AA trailer that we're going to receive. And we want to make sure this is disconnected from the truck so that we get in it with no questions, no problems. We don't want to be getting in the truck. So I told him right here in the messages to disconnect that shit. But he gets out and he comes back in, disconnect it from the truck, and then I'm going to get in it and sit in it and wait until it disappears. Alright. Just keep sitting on it. Give it time, it'll disappear. There we go. Now we're going to call out that modified AA trailer that we just received out of the MOC through the interaction menu. We're going to request the personal vehicle that's stored in the MOC. And then we're going to return it through the interaction menu. Return personal vehicle to storage. So watch while we do that real quick. Okay, we called it out of the back of the MOC through the interaction menu. Now just to return it through the same interaction menu, select return personal vehicle to storage. I think I was dozed off last night a little bit too doing this. But anytime now. There we go. Return personal vehicle to storage. Now register as an MC president. We're going to call out the bike that we used in the beginning of this glitch through the interaction menu as a motorcycle club president. Alright, it's down there at the end of the block. So we're going to go get on it and drive it into the back of the MOC. And this will kick the modified AA trailer into the bunker. He doesn't need to get on. Like I said, I think he's pretty tired, and out of habit he's on the back and he thinks we're going to go do the glitch again or something, but anyway, we go up to the back of the MOC and it's going to kick him off anyway when I push the right on the D-pad. So there's what you want it to say, personal vehicle storage full. So it's going to switch and kick that modified AA trailer to a garage, which is your bunker. Now you have the bike in there again, like in the beginning of the glitch when you started. So now we're going to go look inside the bunker and make sure. So job warp over to the bunker or fly over there, however you want to do it. Start a new session, spawn over there, whatever. Go to your bunker, go inside, take a look at your AA trailer and see if you still got your old one or if you got your new one. Spoiler alert, if you followed the steps correctly, you'll have a new one, just like me. There we have it. So, that is how you swap out your old AA trailer for a new modified one. Huge shout out to Trey Boat and Junior on an OVH. Huge shout out to Jazzy, Ray the Goat, and Ray Barraza for always having the best merge videos, the most reliable merge videos. You guys are legends. Glitched Out Spartan out.